Hey guys, what's happening? How to add motion blur in CapCut. So if you're new to CapCut, you can just hit the plus button at the top so you can add your new project or new video or picture to a video. But if you are not new, just select your project that you want to add a motion blur, and you can do it automatically, right? Let me select the part that I want to blur. I'm gonna hit split right here, and I'm gonna select this first part, right? Now I can just go to the effects and hit the video effects and search for motion blur, right? And I can add that motion blur right here, right? Or I could just go ahead and select the part that I want to use the motion blur and select the motion blur option right here next to the extract extract audio, excuse me. And then you're gonna select that you're gonna select the basically how blurry the video would be, and if you want it to blend with the with the blur, right? And you're gonna see the final result. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.